Welcome to Ayurooms TV. I'm your host, Alykhan Alidina. I'm the founder of Ayurooms, and I'm going to take you for a walkthrough of the favorite Kerala Ayurveda and spa in Trivandrum, or Kovalam Beach, if you are familiar with this part of the world. As you can see, it's located in a very, very green part of Kerala. Well, all of Kerala is green, but this particular property is just stunning. So we are actually at what is known as the Leela Kovalam. And as we enter the spa, on my right is the yoga hall at this particular resort. So this is where your morning or evening yoga practice would take place. And what's beautiful about the yoga hall is that it is located overlooking the sea. So you have a beautiful view of the ocean from the yoga hall. You can hear the sounds of the waves crashing down. And now we're walking back towards the spa. And we're going to take a look quickly at what's called the Ayur room. And what's cool about this particular room is it's completely open to the ocean. So this is an Ayurvedic treatment room, and this contraption is for the performance of Shirodhara, a very important Ayurvedic treatment. And the beauty is this room also has a wonderful shower, a bathroom, and this is where deep tissue massages would be performed. So you would lie down on this bed, and a man or woman, depending on your gender, would perform the treatment, and they would be hanging on to this particular rope or holding on that and using their body weight to massage you with the balls of their feet. Particular treatments known as Padagata Abhyanga. It's a very, very deep tissue massage. So this is a quick look at the Ayur room, and then we will walk to the spa reception. And this is the reception of and this is the team that's here that manages the reception. And now we're going to show you quickly the doctor's consultation room. So when you come for an Ayurvedic treatment, the first thing is the doctor's consultation. The doctor would be seated here, and you would be seated there. And you can see the collection of medicines behind the doctor's table. And now we're going to walk into one of the spa rooms. On my left is the mantra room. Now the mantra room is where they do international treatments, as in non-Ayurvedic treatments, because this is an international or Western style massage table, but they can do Ayurvedic treatments, as you can see by that device as well. So if you're not comfortable with the wooden table, you can take the softer international style massage table or Western style massage table. So you have a shower right there, you have a bathroom in the corner, and as we come out, the opposite room is called the Sparsh room, and you can see there's an abundance of natural light. This is a proper Ayurvedic table, and the blinds would come down when you're having your treatment for maximum privacy. You have an Ayurvedic steam box. Typically, you would receive a head massage or foot massage right there. The one downside to this particular room is it does not have a toilet. So if you're someone that's prone to going to the washroom in the middle of your treatment, we will get you one of the other rooms that has the washroom. This is a smaller Ayurvedic treatment room. It's called the Arogya room, and it has a shower. And now we'll take a quick look at the VIP Ayurveda room. This is a VIP Ayurvedic treatment room. It's very spacious, as you can see. It has a good amount of natural light as well as regular lighting. It overlooks this beautiful brush outside the spa room, and then you have blinds that would come down to give maximum privacy. There's a shower and there's also a bathroom that is attached to this particular room. And I like this because it's a big bathroom. The toilet area closes, the bathroom itself closes. So this is where I would probably take my treatments, because I drink a lot of water and I would frequently need to visit the washroom at least once during my treatment. If it's a longer treatment, maybe twice. So another feature of this particular room is the Ayurvedic steam box. So you would sit on that chair and they would turn on the steam. Your head would come up through this area and they would close it on you and give you a nice Ayurvedic steam bath. Another very intelligent decision is to put a little screen, if you will, right above or in front of the AC. It kind of blocks the airflow from directly hitting you when you're on the massage table. So very, very intelligent decision to put that particular screen up there. I've actually never seen that, and that's the first time, and whoever did that really understands things about getting a treatment. We'll take a look at one more treatment room, which is called the Nadam treatment room. And a little bit tucked away in the corner, a little bit less lighting, perfect room to actually fall asleep in. And then you have the shower on the left there. This particular room, due to the size, does not have the washroom other than the shower, but it does have the Ayurvedic steam box and all the amenities that you would expect in an Ayurvedic treatment room. So Nadam is this particular room, and the VIP room again was the Kaya treatment room. So if you really want the VIP treatment, that's the room to ask for, where you have maximum space as well as the bathroom. We're going to take a look at what the sauna looks like at Ayurooms in Kovalam. And there's a steam sauna. Very good. Whoa. Oh, that's steamy. Oh. It smells beautiful. Very nice. Funny. Oh, fridge for cold water if you prefer. Place to chill out after your steam. Fantastic. The 7 chakras. Mr. Patanjali, our yoga master. So when you're finished your treatment, you would step out back into the reception and you'd then leave this particular area, and a car would pick you up right here, a golf cart, and take you back to your room, which is on the other side of the property. So this is quiet. It's located away from the main accommodations and hotel area, secluded, surrounded by palm trees and the sounds of the ocean. And that's my tour of the favorite Kerala Ayurveda and Spa in Kovalam, Kerala, at the Leela Kovalam. And if you're ever in need of fantastic Ayurvedic treatment and the best pricing for this particular resort, Ayurooms has a privileged relationship with this particular resort, the Leela Kovalam, and we will ensure that you get the absolute best price. And if anyone can touch our prices, we will beat it by 5%.